Hey guys, it's Romy from Solid Gold Shows. I bought this Meteorites like 2 years ago, I believe, or maybe 3 years ago, but I haven't made a video of it. It's called Campo del Cielo Meteorites. Let's focus a little bit. It's a group of iron meteorites that were found situated on the border between Chaco and Santiago del Estero, 1,000 kilometers northwest of Buenos Aires, Argentina. It's saying here that this crater field covers 3 by 20 kilometers and contains at least 26 craters. Anyway, it's saying it's between 4,000 and 5,000 years ago. I bought this at Beverly Oaks LLC. It's a certificate of authenticity. But anyway, there it is, guys. Let's take a closer look and focus. I did a little test as well. It's supposed to contain iron, of course, and you have the magnet. Anyway, there it is, guys. I got a small one as well, but I gave it to my wife. That's for her. Anyway, this is my Campo del Cielo iron meteorites. This is my Tektite, 30.41 grams that I got. Take a closer look. I like this one a lot. I like how it was formed. That's cool. So, a little bit about the Tektite. It says here the terrestrial source of Tektites is supported by well-known documented evidence. The chemical and isotopic composition of Tektites indicates that they are derived from the melting of silica-rich crystal and sedimentary rocks, which are not found on the moon. In addition, some Tektites contain relic material inclusions like quartz, zircon, rutile, chromite, and monazite that are characteristic of terrestrial sediments in crystal and sedimentary source rocks. They're saying here that Tektites consider terrestrial debris that was ejected during the formation of impact crater during the extreme conditions created by hyper-velocity meteorite impact. Near surface terrestrial sediments and rocks were either melted, vaporized, and some combination of these and ejected from an impact crater. After ejection from the impact crater, the material formed millimeter to centimeter sized bodies of molten material, which they re-entered the atmosphere, rapidly cooled to form Tektites that fell to Earth to create a layer of distal ejecta hundreds of or thousands of kilometers away from the impact sites. Yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Let's see if it's gonna focus a little bit. There you go. Tektite that I just got is 30.06 grams. It's amazing. So let's take a closer look. That's kind of cool. Anyway, that's my Tektite, my 30.06 gram Tektites. The Sericho stony iron meteorite. It was found in Kenya in 2016. So it's actually a pallasite. They call it a pallasite. So it's nice looking one. So let's take a closer look. Look at that. See how it's glittering right there? Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? That's awesome. I love pallasites. It's beautiful. So I'm just documenting it. Look at that. All these glitters. Alright guys, it's called a Sericho stony iron pallasite meteorite. This came in mail. It's a gold basin meteorite from Arizona. The find is on November 24th, 1995. It's a stone chondrite meteorite. And it's called Gold Basin. It's saying here it was found in an area of arroyos draining the White Hills by Professor Jim Ree at the University of Arizona. So he was prospecting for gold with a metal detector. Take a look right there. It weighs 10.3 grams. It's a tiny little one. Yeah, there it is. Let's do a little 360. This is nice when you polish it. This is my new meteorite. It's NWA 869. It's a Northwest Africa stone meteorite. It's 19.2 grams. This was discovered in 1999 near Algeria, and it says here that it's classified as a L5, I believe. I'm not really sure what the classification is. I'm new to this meteorite thing. Anyway, let's take a closer look here. It's a nice looking stone meteorite. I don't know if you can see that clearly though. And this is the back side of it. It's a nice looking piece. I got this recently. Anyway guys, I just want to document it, and when I got this nice looking piece, look at that, nice. I got a weak magnet, it doesn't stick to it, but I'm getting a very strong one soon in the mail. So I'm not sure if there's like 10, maybe 25% iron in this, or it's just basically a stone. That's what they call it, stone meteorite.
Nantan meteorite found in China in 1516. Wow, that's a long time ago, huh? Anyway, it's an iron meteorite. It has nickel as well. Let's take a look at that. Nice, eh? What's nice about this is in the bottom. Take a look. See these edges right here? That caused that what was plummeting down to earth and start melting, so it's falling this way as it burns up the iron. Look at that. Kind of like a Reese's Kisses or something. Alright. Sideways.